Welcome to San Antonio, Texas, home of the Alamo, the Riverwalk, and nestled within the industrial area of the northeastern part of the city, Ranger Creek Brewing and Distilling. So come along with us as we take a deeper dive into one of San Antonio's rising stars in the beer world. Ranger Creek started in 2011 as a whiskey distillery. Shortly after, the company expanded their offerings to brewing beer. The process is mostly the same between the two, so it was a natural fit, as described by brewmaster Harley. All of Ranger Creek's processes are done in-house, from the large vats that brew the several different varieties they sell, to a smoker within a shipping container that gives the grains their distinct taste, even bringing in a mobile canning solution to help with packaging and distributing their beers all across Texas. Ranger Creek is very proud of the fact that minimal waste comes from each step of the process, from barrels to kegs to even their cardboard packaging boxes. Nearly everything is able to be reused. They are also able to help the community as a whole, not only by offering volunteer opportunities in the whiskey making process, but also providing used dry grain to local farmers who are able to feed their livestock. As Ranger Creek is nestled within an industrial part of the city, aside from the production, the brewstillery becomes a great place for laborers to kick back after a hard day's work. Once you walk into the taproom, you come into an industrial decor that still lends itself to being an inviting setting, with the walls adorned with their various whiskey offerings, along with the whiskey making process. The taproom includes a couple of seating areas, a lounge with books and board games for your entire party to relax, and a small set of gift shelves to purchase a souvenir to bring home with you. On nice days, perhaps head out to the patio behind the brew factory, among the various garages where the whiskey is allowed to age in a climate-controlled setting. Ranger Creek is quickly becoming a rising star in the local area for craft brewing, as they offer 8 beers on tap along with a selection of whiskey drinks. Their signature beer, the San Antonio Lager, has been a staple on the menu since their inception, and even comes in a wonderful salt and lime variety. Quickly becoming a favorite among beer connoisseurs at retail stores is the Dog in the Hunt Amber Lager, as a high demand has been reported. Production has been so well that the company is trying to expand their production areas in the hope of taking their beers not only throughout all of Texas, but to potentially begin a national campaign. So the next time you head out to San Antonio, give Ranger Creek Brewing and Distilling a try. This company may just become a mark on your internal compass.